How long does it take to migrate from Bronto to Klaviyo? Hi, this is Andrew, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. If you're first time on this channel, I strongly recommend you to subscribe because we're releasing videos every week, Tuesday and Thursday, about Klaviyo, email marketing, SMS marketing, and general marketing to help you grow your e-commerce brand. So let's get back to the topic. So how long does it take to migrate from Klaviyo to Bronto? I will show you our scope. So what we do when we migrating from Bronto to Klaviyo. I'm not sure what I said before, but from Bronto to Klaviyo. As you already know, Bronto is closing down, and May 2022 they will sunset their Bronto platform. Before I start explaining you how long does it take, also we have this step-by-step guide how to migrate from Bronto to another email marketing platform, and here are all the steps, so you can share it with your team or you can just follow yourself. Or if you want professionals to do it, you can hire us and we'll do the migration. And by the way, we do migration for free. Like if you're on Bronto and moving to Klaviyo, we'll do it 100% free. And also we have explanation on our website why we do this for free and what is our benefit. Okay, let's go back to the migration. So first step is we will migrate all active onboarding and then confirmed subscriber from Bronto to Klaviyo. It typically takes one day or even faster. It takes us in matter of hours, but we just like to budget one day. Second, or almost the same day, we'll do the migration of all bounce unsubscribe contacts. Why do we want to move them? First, for historical reason, and second, so you do not email them accidentally. So we want to move them to Klaviyo and suppress them, meaning manually unsubscribe them. So again, we budget 2 business days, but probably can be done in one day. So form designs. So you have some kind of forms in your Bronto account, and it takes us up to 3 business days to migrate them. All those forms, doesn't matter how many you have, like 2 from Bronto to Klaviyo. And our designers will rebuild them inside of Klaviyo, and it will be mobile responsive. The second thing, we migrating up to 3 templates, but I don't think you will have more than 3 templates. And again, it will take us 3 days. Our designers will rebuild it from scratch in Klaviyo, and it will be mobile responsive and it will be responsive template. It would not be as a one image. So it says Magento e-commerce platform. So here's probably the hardest part. So we do not do the integration. We work with your developers unless you use something like Shopify or WooCommerce. We can do the integration, but we do not integrate with Magento. We do not integrate with custom platforms, and we do not integrate with NetSuite or others. Can it be integrated? 100%, and we did it before, meaning we work with other companies and developers and they did it, but we do not do that. We do not provide that kind of service, and that's why it's tricky, because the rest we know how to do and how long does it take, but this is like our bottleneck. Until this is done, some of the other scope cannot be done. Okay, so Klaviyo setup, it takes us 3 business days to do the full technical Klaviyo setup. Then we migrate any and all automations that you might have, and now when you're ready and set to activate Klaviyo, we will create 30-60 days engaged email subscribers in Klaviyo from Bronto. The last thing, we again budgeted for one day, but probably everything can be done in one day if we coordinate accordingly. I know if you calculate all those days, it's probably less than 2 weeks. However, I always strongly recommend to budget between 1 to 2 months. This process can be done in 1 month or less. However, you need to start warming up your IP, do the other setup, and it takes longer. In case you have any questions or you want us to do the migration for you, please visit flowium.com/contact and schedule a call with us, and we can discuss your project in greater details. Again, we do migration from Bronto to Klaviyo absolutely for free, for no cost at you. We have our benefits from Klaviyo side. That's why we want to offer it for you for free. Let me know if you have any additional questions. Thank you.